Hey peeps, it's me and my bestie, Brianna. Her nickname is Bri. Today we're going to be showing you guys our slimes. See? I'm not sure if they can see it or not. Okay, so the first one is that one we just played with.
It's my slime. I made it. It's super cool.
You get half. Rip some of it out! Okay, so this is it.
It has little orange and yellow beads in it. It's very
And blue.
stretchy. And it has like little glittery things in it. They kind of feel like rocks, but they feel really good on your hands. If you just
Yeah, they're like,
relax
if you can
it.
see it, where is the camera? I'm not sure you guys can see that, but next one, move on to the next one. Next one, I made this one. So yeah, I think we might need. She literally, that gent scared me. Dude,
It's like brown. Look at the bottom, guys.
yeah, look at the bottom. Oh. Okay. I get some. You get the rest. You get the rest. Now we gotta switch spots since you showed your slime.
Why did you not finish?
Nena,
What?
¿tienes?
Nope. They're alright then. BB, stop going to my stuff.
Shut up.
Stop. BB, stop.
Get on here.
I think those are the only ones that I got. So. Okay, so.
Mira, te estaba preguntando por design.
So it's very good at bubbles.
Hey, another bubble so I can do that.
Yeah, ¿quieres subir?
I don't know. My sister asked what time are you leaving.
My mom said to call her at 6, and I don't know when I'm leaving. But she's just gonna call me when I am. She just told me
Next
call
slime.
her at 6, and I think that she's gonna tell me.
Wait, what? So the bottom
She's
is.
gonna tell me at 6 because I have to call her back.
Next one is we mixed it up to play hot potato.
It's with a furry ball inside.
So it's like you can't even see the fur ball.
Nena, ¿cuál pones mis hands up all the way?
But yeah. Yep. So it's like not a good slime.
But
Yeah, we don't like it.
this is my slime.
Yep.
Yours is the tub. Yours is the tub.
Mine is a sticky one.
No.
We both
Both
made
the
the sticky one. This one is a sticky one. Like you don't even want to touch
This
it.
one, it's not really good, but it's
At least it's slime.
yeah.
Like it's so sticky. Oh my god. I can barely even take it out of the cup.
I made this by myself.
Oh, I need help. Ew, it's so sticky. Ew.
And this one I made.
Yeah.
Let me feel how bad it is.
Oh.
Oh my god. No, this one Layla made.
Yeah, she made a different one, but it's somewhere else in the house. That rhymed. Give me that slime. That one. Hardish slime. But it mixed this into there. Now it's mixed with Hardish best slime. So that's all of our slimes, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And so please give it a like. This is the slime that I made.
Got to show you that one thing. Bye, guys. That's really nasty. It didn't turn out how we wanted it to be, but
Yeah. Okay. Time the hiccups. Sorry, guys. Bye,
we
guys.
did have one in here, but
I mixed it up. Yep.
there's 3 spaces for 3 slimes.
Yep. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. If so, please. Oh, wait. If you guys have more video ideas, just comment below. Like
Give
3
us
a.m.
video ideas.
3 a.m. challenges. We could do the grudge challenge
Just let us know in the comments. Bye.
down below. Bye, guys. Love you guys so duper much.
Bye.